Pilot is on the hunt. What's happening, my fellow cat visionaries, and welcome back to Cat Vision. Pilot, stalking the window, hoping a bird will come by. Don't know whether that will happen or not, but that's what's happening. Got the Winnebago shaped bird feeder up there, or I don't know. Got the cute little stained glass cat. And then of course we got the cute little orange cat, the tiger of the living room. Pilot, tiger of the living room, right? And he's orange and stripy. He's rather large. He's got like a creamsicle thing going on. Large stripes that would almost be better described as swirls or something. So, but I don't know. I don't think we're going to see any bird action here. So, your trusty living room cat behavior documentarian here will monitor the situation, and if we get any bird activity, we'll pick it up in a future video. Oh, I did just see a bird fly, but didn't come anywhere near the window. And it seems that yep, there we go. Pilot is giving up. So, on this cute note, we shall end this video. On that adorable note, we'll end this video. Right, Pi? Huh? There you go. Good man.